सबसे पहले मैं सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय की ओर से सभी मीडिया बंधुओं को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि कोविड का संवाद और कोविड से बचाव के बारे में पूरे देश में जानकारी पहुँचाने में आपका अहम योगदान रहा है। I do feel and appreciate that media has been prominent in taking the message of precautionary steps to be taken against COVID-19 throughout the country, and it has played a very important role, and I must thank and appreciate the media for it. आगामी जो सीज़न दशहरा से लेकर न्यू ईयर, क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर तक लगातार कई तरह के धार्मिक और अन्य उत्सव हैं. देयर इज़ अ सीजन ऑफ religious and other festivities. There is also the upcoming winter season, and Dr. Paul will brief us about it. And the economy is opening up. And while opening up the economy, we do need to take precautions. As you are already aware, we have permitted the schools to open up. The SOPs for colleges are also coming from 15th October, that is day after tomorrow. Even the cinema halls will open in many places. Therefore, on one hand, we have this opening up of the economy and different sectors. On the other hand, we also have the need to take precautions. In view of that, a major campaign has been launched. It was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 8th. I will come to the campaign. Very simple 3 messages: wear mask, maintain safe distance. We are not talking about social distancing. Socially, we are together. Physically, we have to be apart. And thirdly, hand wash and face hygiene must be maintained at all the times. Now, the communication strategy that we had earlier was a little simple, that in lockdown we say that everybody will stay at home, stay safe. During the initial phases of Unlock 1, 2, and 3, we focused on Atmanirbhar Bharat, but now it is opening up, but with precautions. So the message is both: let us adjust to the new normal. The new normal is wearing mask, maintaining distance, and maintaining the face and hand hygiene. But with this new normal, let us take precautions and work towards the economic activities that we have. This has been perceived as a Jan Andolan, where we are having the central government, all ministries, state governments, and I must thank all the state governments. They have taken real interest in this Jan Andolan. As I said, it is a campaign which will be from October to November, an intensive campaign, and then it will continue till March in various forms, so that we are able to reach out to almost 90 crore people. That is what we are targeting, the 90 crore people in this country. We are reaching out to them. I'll just explain how are we going to do it, and we are already in it. With these 3 messages, we have got 4 different categories. Next, please. See, one is the banner, poster, etc. at all the block offices, tehsil offices, or the places which are frequently visited by the people. Could be a police station, could be a milk booth. So that is the first place of contact which we are tackling. The second is the involving the frontline workers. We have 1 crore teachers in this country. We have Anganwadi workers, 16.5 lakh Anganwadis are there. There are Asha workers, Panchayat Sevaks, the Panchayati Raj system. We are taking into confidence all of them through the state governments and working for them. The third is the beneficiaries of different schemes. We have the database, we can approach them directly, the Manrega workers or the PM Awas, PM Kisan. And the fourth category is the private sector. आप जहाँ भी रहते होंगे, जो ट्रेड एसोसिएशंस हैं, मर्चेंट एसोसिएशन होती हैं, तो हम लोगों ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर्स के माध्यम से अनुरोध किया है कि जहाँ भी ये बाज़ार लगते हैं, एक बैनर लगा सकते हैं, दुकान के सामने क्रिएटिव का एक प्रिंट आउट लगा के लगा सकते हैं, बैंक के सामने लगा सकते हैं, लोगों को जानकारी मिलनी चाहिए। इस कैंपेन के शुरुआत में जो गृह मंत्री हैं, उन्होंने 28 सितंबर को बैठक की थी और उनकी बैठक के पश्चात कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी ने 2 बार देश के सभी केंद्रीय मंत्रालयों के साथ बैठक की और जो सभी राज्यों के मुख्य सचिव हैं और स्वास्थ्य सचिव हैं उनके साथ बैठक की और उनके माध्यम से ये प्रारंभ हुआ है कैंपेन। लॉन्च जो 8 अक्टूबर को हुआ, उसके पश्चात करीब 8 तारीख को ही नंबर 2 ट्रेंड था। यूनाइट टू फाइट कोरोना was trending at number 2 on Twitter with about 2.3 billion impressions. The COVID pledge was administered in more than 500 offices. And more importantly, the outdoor publicity has taken place, and as I said, it is low cost but high intensive, a people's campaign. Most of the union ministers, starting with the Honorable Home Minister, Defense Minister, Minister of WCD, because women and child have a very important role, they have come forward for this campaign. More than 15 governors and chief ministers took part. Amitabh Bachchan, Shankar Mahadevan, Sania Mirza, Karthik Aaryan, Rajkumar Rao, and so on, a number of well-known personalities, including the eminent industrialists like Uday Kotak, T.V. Narendran, who is chairman and managing director of the Tata Motors. They have also come forward with large number of sports persons like Sania Nehwal and Manu Bhaker and all. And this campaign which has started on 8th of this month, we are regularly in touch with all the media houses, with all the state government, so that the steam of the campaign or the speed and pace with which we have started, that continues over the next 2 months. Some of the key ministries which are participating, all ministries are participating, but some of them, the key ones are Home Affairs, Railways. In the next 2 slides, I'll just highlight the type of work they are doing. Key institutions, as I mentioned, the lowest functionary at the village level, the block office or the tehsil office. Many of the states have got panchayat office. And the outreach at the railway stations, at places which have large movements, whether it is a railway station or a bus stand or the airport. The caller tune has already been changed, and we have Amitabh Bachchan's voice. And let me also inform that in different states, we are using the regional languages to reach out. So it is not Hindi all over the country. It is different languages as per the requirement of the state. And Doordarshan has started a major program called Mask Up India. If you see Doordarshan, if you are watching it, on the right-hand side, there is a logo, Mask Up India. The state governments have come forward. Many of the states, some of them even started the campaign from 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, for example, Rajasthan. Other states, UP, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, everywhere the Honorable Chief Ministers are taking interest in this campaign. To give you some idea about the type of activities which are being done, the Agriculture Department has 3,000 APMCs and 18,000 custom hiring centers, cooperatives. They are reaching out through the farmer produce organizations and cooperatives. Ayush through their dispensaries. Drinking water has reached out to different villages. They have a major program of supply of water through the piped water supply. They have a major program. Women and child is playing a very key role with their 13.83 lakh Anganwadi centers. They have Anganwadi workers, helpers, and they are taking the message across. Consumer affairs and food and public distribution, we have about 5.46 lakh public distribution shops all over the country, and they are taking this message, so the poorest of the poor, when they approach the PDS shop, the message is displayed there so that it is visible and they can take action. The Home Ministry has already issued directions to all the battalions of NDRF, CRPF, and other paramilitary forces, and all the states are also collaborating so as to take this message through the beat constables. In fact, I went around in Delhi, and even the police vans which are parked in different market areas, the patrolling van of Delhi police, they are announcing, and this is also being done at the state level. Similarly, housing, they have reached out to a large number of more than 1 crore beneficiaries of PMAY. They have also reached out to the Smart City Mission. The petroleum and natural gas, the benefit of the meeting held by the Home Minister and the Cabinet Secretary. Petroleum and natural gas, because they have fuel pumps all over the country, and by and large, all of us have to go to the fuel pump for refueling our vehicles. So their 70,000 outlets are already having this display, the LPG distributors. Panchayati Raj, all the functionaries are involved, about 2.5 lakh functionaries in different panchayats, they are involved. All public enterprises, because many of them have got large colonies, establishments. So public enterprises, Ministry of Education, that is my other hat, the 1 crore teachers and about 28 crore students, because we have reached out, there is a system of sending messages all over the country through CBSE, through state boards, through state government, so that we have reached out. Railways, I must appreciate and thank them that as soon as anybody tries to book a ticket on IRCTC, immediately the message comes. As soon as the website is open, there is a message about the precautions to be taken against COVID. All the post offices, they have carried this message. Civil aviation, the announcement at the airport, etc., and the financial services at the bank counters, we have this display of the messages. And very simply, we are saying, jab tak dawai nahi, this is the statement of the Honorable Prime Minister, jab tak dawai nahi, tab tak dhilai nahi. We will open up, but with precautions. And the 3 precautions about face mask, about maintaining the safe distance, and hand and face hygiene. And we are having regular reviews with the state governments, and I must appreciate that all state governments have come forward and they are doing their best, and they are as concerned as we are here. And we are getting cooperation from the industry bodies, from the private sector, and of course, as I mentioned in the beginning itself, from the media. Thank you very much.